Buongiorno, buonasera, good day or good evening. Hey, this is Larry Aiello. So I'm here in Palermo. I'm here in the Palazzo Reale, the Royal Palace. These are the Giardini, the gardens. Here you see a little cafe. Here on the left here, you can grab a cappuccino or a cornetto, a croissant. Here you see this is a monroe fig tree from Australia. Look at this, is absolutely incredible, this root system. It's probably hundreds of years old. I know these can grow for a long time. I'm not sure how old this one here is, but I'm going to walk around the gardens a little bit. Here you see a pine comb here. And what it represents in Sicily is it's given at weddings for fertility and prosperity. Here you see another one here on the right. It's used, I guess legend has it that they would once during courtship or after marriage, they would put they'd hang the pines outside of the bride and groom's bedroom, and that's supposed to bring on fertility, bring on children. I guess here in Sicily, you know, if you're familiar with The Godfather, may your first child be a masculine child. Maybe it was something along those lines. But you see some palm trees here, which is very common in Palermo, these parts, very tropical area. Being from Florida, I know there are hundreds, I think there are 400 different types of palm trees, maybe just in Florida. However many there are here in Sicily, in Palermo, I'm not sure. But you see some cactus over here too. This is a small version of the fichi d'India here. You see this cactus growing, and it grows these little fruits on the end of them. These are small, these little purple ones, but they come in different colors. I've seen them in all different colors, orange, and they use them for jellies, drinks. You could get drinks of them. Here's an agave plant, very pretty. Here's some aloe, and I'm not sure what this spiny thing is. I'm sure it would hurt if you touched it. Different various Sicilian plants here. So here's another one. They're typically bigger, what you see along the countryside, on the roadside of Sicily, going up to Monte Pellegrino. You'll see some. Here's some citrus, which is very, very common here in Sicily. Citrus trees grow all over the place, and we're in November here, so probably another month or two before they ripen. Here are some more citrus trees here. Ooh, this looks like pomegranate over here. Looks like little mini pomegranates. Melograno, they're called in Sicilian. Here looks like a bigger version of them. And you can see the pomegranate. There are the seeds. So beautiful gardens here, part of the complex. If you make it to Palermo, you check out the inside, the Palazzo Reale. It's the Palazzo Reale has the Royal Palace when Sicily was ruled by royals back in the 1100s. And it has their bedrooms. It has a chapel, a private chapel that was used for the royal family, called the Cappella Palatina. More citrus fruits here, and beautiful garden, beautiful day here in Palermo. There's the cafe where you can sit outside and enjoy your time here in Palermo. Okay, everyone, this is Larry Aiello. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you're interested in this type of content. I would really appreciate it. Okay, everyone, have a great day. This is Larry Aiello. Ciao, ciao.